Imagine this. You wake up one morning, pour yourself a cup of coffee, and suddenly your computer just won't turn on. A dark cloud of dread suddenly looms over you because you can't remember the last time you backed up your work. And what about all your photos, your business documents, basically your entire digital life? Gone. Scary, right? Once those files are gone, they're gone for good. Unless you had a backup plan in place. That is where GotBackup comes in. GotBackup is your personal, automatic, 24/7 cloud backup service. Set it up once and it quietly works in the background, backing up your photos, videos, and documents automatically. It's the ultimate set and forget solution. With an internet connection, you can access your files anytime, anywhere, from unlimited devices, all synced to your ultra-secure cloud. Need to share something? GotBackup makes it easy with its Collaborate and Share feature. Share a work presentation, a family photo gallery, or an important document with password-protected links and expiration dates. You're always in control. And your data, it's locked away with state-of-the-art 256-bit encryption, the same technology banks use, so you can relax knowing your files are safe. All this for just $9.97 a month, or save 2 months with the annual plan at $99.97 a year. Your subscription even covers you and up to 5 family members, sharing a massive 6 terabytes of storage space. That's a lot of memories. But here's the part no other cloud service offers. With GotBackup, you can also earn income from home. Join as an affiliate for just $20 a year, plus your subscription, and earn up to 75% residual commissions for everyone you refer. That's unlimited earning potential, sharing something people already need. It practically sells itself. Protect your memories, grow your income, and rest easy, because GotBackup has your back. So what are you waiting for? Get started today.